started at Gwinnett Tech back in 1997. The short version is we took the step and have been a business owner for the last 3 years. I wanted more control over what was going on around me. There was a lot of things that I saw that could have been done differently, and I wasn't in a position to make any changes. And I tell people, you know, I was on a ship. I couldn't really control where it was going, so I got off that and built my own ship. The Gwinnett Tech Advisory Board, it's a group of automotive professionals, myself, other dealerships, other repair facilities. It's all about getting the students prepped and getting them ready to be technicians, to be professional technicians, to take them from, you know, being a backyard mechanic or working on their personal vehicle in their garage at 10 o'clock at night to doing this 8-9 hours a day on a professional level. Being a business owner, the best way that I can put that is it's the most of everything. It is the most challenging thing that I think I've done, but it's also by far the most rewarding, the most satisfying. It's great. When running a business, it's very easy to get caught up in the business and the numbers, and you can forget why you're doing it. Continuing to stay connected to Gwinnett Tech, it's nice to be able to give back, to be able to say that we're doing our part, that I'm helping the program that essentially got me here.